In this video, I will guide you through the 5 essential steps to becoming an entrepreneur. We will cover the topics such as registering your business with the state, obtaining an employer identification number, filling out a W-9 form, opening a business checking account, and getting general liability insurance. I will provide valuable tips and important information to help you navigate each step successfully. Make sure to take notes and follow along as there are action items for you to complete. Let's get started on your journey to entrepreneurship. So first, you must register your business, but before registering, you must, decide on a name for your business, which could be difficult to do. So we have a few tips and a few questions you may want to, ask yourself when it comes to naming your business. So, what do you want to communicate to your potential customers? What are some main keywords in your industry? What makes you valuable and different? Who is your ideal audience? What are some of your business's personality traits? And what are some descriptive words that you want to associate with your business? So after you decide on your name, it's time to register your business with the state. For Washington State, you want to go to the Department of Revenue. Review the registration requirements, and then apply for a business license. I highly recommend thoroughly reviewing the website. When you receive your business license, you'll be assigned a Unified Business Identifier number or UBI number. This number is unique to your business, and you'll need it whenever you file your taxes or make changes to your business. There is a business licensing wizard tool that is helpful. You use it to learn the licensing and permitting requirements for your specific business, enter your intended business activity, location, and other key information, and receive an online list of specific licenses and permits that are likely to be required. The second step is obtaining your employer identification number. Having a EIN is a great way to keep business and personal life separate. You may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States or U.S. territories. The person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number. You are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. The responsible party is the person who ultimately owns or controls the entity or who exercises ultimate effective control over the entity. Unless the applicant is a government entity, the responsible party must be an individual or a natural person, not an entity. On the Native Business Center website, in the Campfire section, we do have a video on how to apply for an EIN number. I highly recommend watching that. The third step is filling out your W-9 form. We recommend filling out a W-9 form at the beginning of the year and getting a W-9 before working or paying someone. So an individual or entity who is required to file an information return with the IRS must obtain your correct taxpayer identification number. So you will need your social security number, your EIN, report the amount paid in excess of $600 and update annually. So for example, when you perform a job service for a company and you are paid $600 or more, that company must report your income to the IRS via an information return and will require you to submit a W-9 to them prior to the job start. For this next slide, please pause the video to review a scenario of when and how a W-9 would be used. The fourth step is opening a business checking account. The reasons you would want to open up a business checking account is it helps keep business and personal financial transactions separate. It keeps the business records organized. It helps keep accurate taxes and deductions. You'll be able to accept credit card payments. It looks professional, and you'll develop a relationship with a banker. Some documents you may need to bring to the bank to open up a business checking account is a photo identification, so your driver's license, tribal ID, a passport, and then your employer identification number, any business formation documents, ownership agreements, and your business license. Now, the fifth and final step is getting general liability insurance, which can also be called small business liability insurance or commercial liability insurance. Insurance will provide coverage for your business against claims made by others, including bodily injury, damage to property, or personal injury. Some steps to take are assess your risks, find a reputable licensed agent, shop around, and reassess every year. Most grants and loans will require you to have some type of insurance. Well, thank you for watching the video, and I wish you all this success in your entrepreneurship journey. Thank you.